I see three main value propositions that we have from our product. The first and foremost is early planning, preliminary design. As you can see, Andy from WSP, he said, this is the exact type of information what we are providing, list of owners, where the utility lines are located. Rapid access to that data is crucial for someone like Andy to make better decisions, to make sure the risks are correctly mitigated, to make sure the project budget is correctly accommodating the utility needs. So, and make sure there are no delays because of unanticipated utilities that you found as you struck the ground, right? So early planning and preliminary design, I would say that's the number one use case we see maximum value delivered from 4M. We also see a lot of value from a pursuits and proposal phases. And here is an example quote from LTRA, Joseph from LTRA. So they are using 4Map and they are quickly drawing these polygons all over Texas, all over Florida, and they are better equipped with their pursuits and proposal. They are better informed. And also another thing, when they are communicating with their clients saying, hey, for this project, although it looks small, here's our proposal. And they can justify that with 4M data. We are proposing this a little bit higher because we anticipate a lot of utility complexity in this particular area, right? So we are able to provide that early data baseline for the pursuit and proposal. And then the last key value proposition that we have seen is about QA/QC on the field investigation. Many surveying teams or even SIU teams or utility coordinators are using our data. They're using the lines that we show from our foundation tier and also on-surface objects. That's something I'll talk about soon. We have ability to detect on-surface object. So as a combination of both of them, they evaluate whether the survey that they have done, did they miss something? Was that some area where the owner was never listed, or there was an on-surface object that they forgot to capture, and that might pose a big risk on the project, right? So they're using 4M to further validate their findings.